Galaxy J5 Prime launched September 2016. After 5 years, this phone is still worth it 2021. Find out in this video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. So guys, start the video. So at first talk about the build quality. The phone built with Gorilla Glass front and aluminum and plastic back and aluminum frame. So overall the phone build quality is good. The smartphone comes with 5-inch PLS IPS LCD display with resolution 720p x 1280 pixel with 294 ppi density, and the skin is 79.5 skin to body ratio. So overall the phone display is average quality 720p display. 2021 the phone running Android 8 and the phone using chipset Exynos 7570 and GPU using dual core 1.4 GHz and GPU using Mali T720. So the phone you can play all types of game in a low graphics. I'm playing Call of Duty in a low graphics and my gaming experience is still pretty well. And if you guys want to see the J5 Prime 2021 gaming review, I'm already making a video about that. Link in the video description and on the I button. J5 Prime comes with single 13 megapixel camera with 1.9 aperture with LED flash. And the phone also comes with 5 megapixel selfie camera with 2.2 aperture. And the main camera you can record 1080 30 fps video, and the video quality is average quality. You can unlock your phone by fingerprint scanner, and fingerprint scanner speed is still pretty good. The smartphone comes with 2400 mAh battery. So the smartphone you can get 2-3 hour screen on time. Okay, this is all about Samsung Galaxy J5 Prime 2021 review. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you in another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. Allah Hafiz.